What is CDL insurance for new drivers? If you are a new driver looking to navigate the world of commercial driving, you might be asking yourself, what is commercial driver's license insurance? This specialized auto insurance is specifically designed for those who operate large trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles. It is essential for protecting yourself against the unique risks that come with driving these larger vehicles. One of the key components of commercial driver's license insurance is liability coverage. This type of coverage helps pay for damages to others if you are involved in an accident. Most states have minimum requirements for liability coverage, and federal regulations requiring at least $750,000 in public liability insurance for commercial vehicles. Another important aspect is property damage coverage. This helps cover the costs if you damage someone else's property, like another vehicle or a building, during an accident. Additionally, collision coverage is available, which pays for damage to your vehicle, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage is also an option, covering theft, vandalism, and damage from natural disasters. For those transporting goods, cargo insurance is often required. This protects the items being transported, with a typical minimum requirement of $5,000 per vehicle and a total of $10,000 per occurrence. New drivers need commercial driver's license insurance because they face higher risks due to their lack of experience. This insurance provides financial protection against accidents and other liabilities. It also ensures compliance with legal requirements, as commercial vehicles must meet specific insurance standards to operate legally. When it comes to premiums, the costs can vary widely. Factors such as your driving record, the type of vehicle you drive, and the cargo you transport all play a role in determining your insurance rates. On average, commercial truck insurance can cost between $8,000 and $14,000 per year. Selecting the right commercial driver's license insurance policy requires careful consideration. New drivers should think about the level of coverage they need, the cost of premiums, and any additional requirements from freight brokers or regulatory bodies. In summary, commercial driver's license insurance is a vital part of being a responsible commercial driver. It offers protection against various risks and ensures compliance with legal requirements, making it essential for new drivers in the commercial driving industry.